Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code, DTC P08B9, indicates a correlation issue between the clutch pedal position sensors A and B within the Honda Civic 2022 and newer models. These sensors are critical as they monitor the position of the clutch pedal and transmit signals to the Vehicle Stability Assist (VSA) modulator-control unit. If the output from these sensors falls outside a specified value, the Powertrain Control Module (PCM) identifies this as an operational anomaly and generates the DTC. Understanding this error is essential for effective troubleshooting and repair. The HDS Honda Diagnostic System can be utilized to clear this DTC once the underlying issue is resolved, ensuring that the vehicle returns to optimal operating conditions. DTC P08B9 is primarily associated with the clutch pedal stroke sensor system, which consists of two sensors, Sensor A and Sensor B. These sensors monitor the position of the clutch pedal and send their respective output signals to the VSA modulator-control unit. The VSA modulator-control unit is responsible for ensuring optimal stability and control of the vehicle under different driving conditions. These components are located in proximity to the clutch assembly, generally found under the dashboard near the brake pedal. If the PCM detects that the signals from these sensors are inconsistent or deviating from expected values, it registers the P08B9 error, indicating a malfunction in this critical system. Several potential causes can lead to the generation of DTC P08B9. One of the foremost possibilities is a malfunctioning clutch pedal stroke sensor, which can fail to accurately detect or relay the pedal's position. Additionally, there may be an open circuit within the wiring that connects the sensors to the VSA modulator-control unit, which would prevent proper communication and cause the DTC to trigger. Furthermore, a short circuit between the wires could also lead to erroneous readings, resulting in the detection of this code. Diagnosing these causes requires a systematic inspection of both the sensors and the connecting wiring to determine the root of the issue. The presence of DTC P08B9 may manifest through various symptoms that affect the drivability of the Honda Civic. Drivers may experience inconsistent clutch engagement, making it difficult to manage the vehicle smoothly. This inconsistency can lead to an unresponsive or erratic clutch feel, potentially compromising driving safety. Additionally, the VSA may not function correctly, leading to stability control malfunctions that can impact vehicle handling. Furthermore, the illumination of a warning light on the dashboard serves as a clear indicator to the driver that there is a problem that requires attention. Addressing these symptoms promptly is crucial to maintaining vehicle performance and safety. The initial step in troubleshooting DTC P08B9 involves turning the vehicle to the on mode without starting the engine. This allows the electronic modules, including the PCM and VSA modulator control unit, to become active and initiate diagnostic checks. This mode enables any error codes previously stored to be retrieved and assessed. Moreover, it helps in confirming the current status of the clutch pedal position sensors and the overall system. It's essential that this step is performed before conducting any inspections or further diagnostics to ensure that the technician has a proper understanding of all active codes and their potential correlations. In this step, the technician should meticulously inspect the external circuit connections related to the clutch pedal stroke sensor system. Specifically, this includes checking the CSS5V power supply, CSS SIG1 sensor A signal, CSS SIG2 sensor B signal, and CSS GND ground circuit. Ensuring these connections are secure and undamaged is critical, as any breaks or shorts can lead to inaccurate signals being transmitted. Any open wire issues should be addressed by using a multimeter to measure continuity, while looking for any signs of wear or corrosion at the connectors. A thorough inspection here can potentially resolve the issue before deeper investigations are required, saving time and effort in the troubleshooting process. The next step is to conduct a thorough inspection of the clutch pedal stroke sensor itself. Since there is no direct testing method, this usually involves replacing the existing sensor with a known good component. This substitution allows the technician to ascertain whether the original sensor is indeed faulty. If the symptoms previously displayed are replicated, or if the DTC recurs, it's likely that the issue lies within other related components. Conversely, if the DTC clears following the replacement, this would confirm that the clutch pedal stroke sensor was the source of the problem. It's essential to ensure that the replacement sensor is properly installed to avoid introducing new issues into the system. In the final troubleshooting step, the VSA modulator-control unit undergoes inspection. If prior checks of the clutch pedal stroke sensor and related wiring have returned normal results, it is prudent to focus attention on the VSA modulator-control unit, as it could be the lingering problem. Any visible signs of damage, corrosion, or connection issues should be assessed carefully. If the unit remains unresponsive, or if no faults are detected, but the DTC persists, this may indicate a malfunction within the control unit itself. Remember, the VSA modulator control unit plays a pivotal role in managing vehicle stability, so addressing any issues found here is crucial for restoring full operational capacity. Once all necessary repairs and replacements have been completed, a final verification step is essential to ensure that the problem has been successfully resolved. Begin by utilizing the HDS to clear the stored DTCs from the PCM. Following this, a test drive of the vehicle is crucial to gauge whether the DTC reappears and to observe the vehicle's performance under varying conditions. During this test drive, it's vital to pay close attention to the responsiveness of the clutch and the effectiveness of the VSA system. Monitoring these parameters will provide insights into the success of the troubleshooting efforts and whether the vehicle is operating normally post-repair. If all indications are positive, the vehicle may then be deemed repaired. In conclusion, addressing DTC P08B9 requires a systematic approach that emphasizes the functionality of the clutch pedal position sensors and their connection to the VSA modulator control unit. Diagnosing potential faults within the sensors, including checking for wiring faults, is essential to correctly identifying the root of the issue. Thorough inspections of various components have shown that the problem can stem from several sources, including faulty sensors or circuit issues. Verifying the functionality of the VSA modulator control unit is equally important, as it plays a critical role in vehicle stability. By following the outlined troubleshooting steps, technicians can effectively isolate problems, ensuring that the Honda Civic is back to a safe and efficient operating condition. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.